Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the magical world of kids' bedroom makeovers, where creativity knows no bounds. Where you are sprucing up your little one's space or looking for inspiration, you are in for a treat. So let's jump right in. There are fantastic ways to add personality and charm to any kid's room. From whimsical forests to underwater adventures, the possibilities are endless. Get creative and let your imagination run wild. Next, let's talk about bedding. Swap out plain sheets for vibrant patterns and textures that reflect your children's interest. Whether they are into dinosaurs or unicorns, there is a bedding set out there for everyone. Don't forget to add plenty of pillows and throws for that extra cozy factor. Now, on to lighting. String lights aren't just for the holidays. There are great ways to add a warm magical glow to any kid's bedroom. Hang them around the bed or drape them across the walls for a whimsical touch. Trust me, it will make bedtime a whole lot more fun. Transition is key when it comes to kids' bedroom. So let's talk about storage solutions. Install floating shelves to display their favorite toys and books. And invest in color storage bins to keep the clutter at bay. Not only will it keep the room tidy, but it will also encourage your little one to stay organized. Let's talk about personalization. A gallery wall is a great way to showcase your child's artwork, photos, and mementos. Mix and match frames in different shapes and sizes for a playful look. It's a great way to add a personal touch to the space and make it truly their own. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.